Whiskey fans, welcome back. Did you know that whiskey is one of the most versatile spirits in the world? Today we're diving into the 5 most popular whiskey cocktails, classics that have stood the test of time and continue to impress. Stick around because these drinks will take your whiskey game to the next level. Let's kick things off with the old-fashioned, the grandfather of cocktails. A simple yet elegant mix of whiskey, sugar, bitters, and an orange twist. Stir it up, and you've got a drink that's been charming whiskey lovers for over a century. Next up, the Whisky Sour where tangy meets smooth. This zesty blend of whiskey, lemon juice, sugar syrup, and frothy egg white is the ultimate crowd pleaser. The silky foam on top, that's what takes this cocktail from good to great. Now let's talk about sophistication, the Manhattan. Whiskey, sweet vermouth, and bitters stirred to perfection and served with a cherry. Did you know this drink dates back to the 1870s? It's a true classic that never goes out of style. Are you feeling inspired yet? Imagine impressing your guests with these classics at your next gathering. Keep watching, because the last cocktail is a whiskey lover's dream. Up next is the Mint Julep, a refreshing cocktail that screams summer. Whiskey, mint, sugar, and crushed ice come together for a cool, crisp experience. It's a southern staple, perfect for sipping on a warm day or any day. Last but not least, the Boulevardier, a bold, bitter twist on the Negroni. With whiskey, sweet vermouth, and Campari, this drink is for those who like their cocktails with a bit of bite. Pro tip, it's a perfect conversation starter for your next dinner party. Which of these cocktails will you try first? Or maybe you already have a favorite. Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your whiskey stories. These are the 5 most popular whiskey cocktails every enthusiast needs to know. If you're interested in whiskey and whiskey cocktails and you also want to learn how to make a perfect whiskey sour at home, don't miss the video mentioned on screen. It's got all the details to elevate your mixology skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cocktail inspiration. Cheers and happy mixing.